Hi guys, this is DM&C. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe and don't forget to the bell icon.
Elvis Presley's daughter Lisa Marie Presley gave Freddie Mercury a piece of the King's history at a Queen concert because she loved him and the band. Elvis Presley famously wore scarves at his concerts which he used to throw into the audience, but he also had his own personal collection too. But did you know the Queen singer Freddie Mercury has gifted one by Elvis Presley's daughter Lisa? Lisa Marie made this reveal in an interview. Lisa Marie went to her first rock concert 1 or 2 years after Elvis's death in 1977. Lisa was about 10 or 11 years old at that time. She lived with her mother Priscilla in Los Angeles and went to see Queen at the Forum in Inglewood, California. In the interview, the now almost 53 years old said, "I remember bringing Freddie Mercury a scarf of my dad's and I gave it to him after the show. I loved it. I loved the theatrics. I loved Freddie. I thought Queen were awesome." Freddie was a big Elvis fan, much like a lot of big bands in the 60s and 70s, with many inspired by the King. In fact, his Queen song Crazy Little Things Called Love on 1980 album The Game is a tribute to Elvis. Freddie composed the track a couple of years after Elvis's death, so around the time he met Lisa Marie. Queen also performed Elvis Presley's song Jailhouse Rock many times in concert.